Good morning, children. This is our revision class of worksheet number 8 for PA2 exams. This worksheet number 8, The Little Pine Tree. What is the story? Let us learn. There was once a little pine tree. He lived in a forest with many big pines and firs all around him. But he wanted to be a grown-up tree. So who wanted to be a grown-up tree here? The pine tree. Because it's a little pine tree and it wished to be a grown-up tree. As it is living with all other tall trees. The little pine tree did not think of the warm sun and of the fresh air. He had no delight at all in the sunshine, or in the birds, or in the clouds which sail above him. So what has happened? The little pine tree did not ever think about the warm sun and the fresh air which the tree receiving. And it also have no delight about the sunshine. Which sail above him. He did not care about the little children who ran around looking for wild strawberries. Often, when the children came and sat down near him. So what has happened? The tree did not care about even the little children. First of all, it did not care about the sunshine, the fresh air and the clouds. Later, it did not also care about the small children who also ran around him to look for the wild strawberries. So, mostly when the children come around him, I used to say that often when the children came and sat down near him, they would look at him and say, "Oh, what a nice little fellow." Here they are saying that he is a nice fellow because it's a small pine tree which looks very beautiful. But it didn't think that it is looking beautiful than that tall trees. If only I were as big as other trees, sighed the little pine tree, then I could spread my branches so far and look out into the wide world. Birds would build nest among my branches. What the tree wished again, the tree is also wishing that if I would be as tall as the other trees, I could spread my branches and can give my branches to build shelters for the birds. That is to build a nest. And when there was a breeze, I could nod as grandly as the other trees. So what the tree is saying that in the time of breeze means the air. At the time of a windy air, I could nod. Nod is nothing but I can move my branches as like other trees. Soon it was winter and there was snow all around. A hare often came leaping along and jumped right over the little pine tree. Oh, that made him so angry. So what has happened? It was when it's this time of this winter season, there was totally a snow. A hare often come leaping. Here it's nothing but here you can see a hare, rabbit or a hare, which always comes and jump right over the little pine tree. But little pine tree don't like it. It feels it's so bad and it feels angry. Over the next 2 winters, the little pine tree grew into a majestic tree. And before 3rd winter, the pine tree was so big that the hare had to go around it. Oh, It is such a great feeling to grow big and tall, thought the pine tree. It is the most wonderful thing in the world. So, as the 2 years have been passed, the little pine tree become a tall tree or a big tree. So it gave a pleasant feeling, or the most beautiful or the wonderful thing it seems to be to the pine tree. Hope that everyone understood today's class. The remaining part we shall see in our next class. Thank you.